Hi friend, welcome to Cooking with Kanita. Today I have this one, Thai basil from my little garden. And you know what? Tonight I have a special guest to come to try my food. And I think I decided to make Thai green curry. So let's do it! Okay, let's have fun together in my kitchen. Let's cook chicken green curry together. Green curry, guys. This brand is from Thailand. I really like this one. Coconut milk. Of course, this one from Thailand also. Chao gok. The next one right here, palm sugar. The taste of palm sugar is so mild. The flavor is like brown sugar and honey together. But if you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown sugar. White sugar is fine. And this one, fish sauce. I like this brand because the flavor is not too strong. And of course, cooking in Thai kitchen must have fish sauce all the time. Here is about half of chicken. It's about 2 pounds of chicken. Right here is Thai basil. I just picked from my garden. Looks nice and fresh, right? You can add any kind of vegetable you like. If you have broccoli, carrot, cabbage, you can use them all. In Thailand, the vegetable that we put in the curry is only eggplants, bamboo shoot, and peppers. But right here, if you can't find those, why can't we have fun with what we have? All the vegetables today, I get them all from the farmer market, which is very cheap and fresh. Wow, looking the freshness of these bell peppers, I really like it. Everything ready right here. Look at that, so beautiful. Let's jump to the hot kitchen together. Okay, with medium heat, shallow pan, add half can of coconut milk. No rush for this step, okay? Keep stirring. When the coconut milk becomes bubbling like this, it's a time to add curry paste. Use a low heat. If you don't want green curry paste, you can use red. It's gonna be the same, just different color, and the flavor is just a little bit different, but you can use the same recipe. Combine coconut milk and curry paste together. Keep stirring. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to doing this. Don't leave the curry. This step is very important. The mixture becomes shiny and you can see all the fat, the sound. And beside of that, you're going to smell the curry so good all over your kitchen. It's the right time to add chicken. For the protein, you can use beef, pork, duck, seafood, even tofu. Stir fry the chicken and curry paste together. Just cook the chicken a little bit. At this time, you can change to the high heat. And then, time to add the rest of coconut milk. With the same can, I'm going to add 1 can of water. If you have chicken stock, add chicken stock. But if you don't have it, don't worry. Just use the water. It's fine. After you add the water, you mix them together. Can you see the fat and the shiny on the surface? That should be like this. And bring them to boil. I realized that my pan is very small. Now I transfer the curry to the bigger pot. Right here, I add the chicken bone just for the flavor. I'm not gonna serve them. Okay, time to add vegetable. time for seasoning. I add 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. That's enough for me. If you want more salty, add more. Thai basil. Look like a lot, but don't worry, it's gonna get wilted. Right now the curry smells so good. In the meantime, guys, I'm cooking rice, okay? Or if you love noodles, I recommend you to have rice noodle. Wow. Look at that, so beautiful, right? Ooh, smells so good. Okay, time to serve. And let's see how my friend gonna say about my curry. Let's enjoy. Hope you like the video and see you next time.